Hey y'all, it's Yvette, and I have my Stephanie Stitches spring project box. That's a lot of light. There you go. Oh. Hollywood light is good, but not for everything. All right, listen. I am just excited to see it because we don't share the information with each other. Like if we're doing a project box, because it depends. Like sometimes I will say, okay, I want to know, so just tell me this. And she'll tell me, you know, but I like to be surprised. So let's get this open. I'm really excited to get it open. Okay, I'm going to just start it because I hate like taking the chance that I'm going to accidentally cut something. As long as I can get my finger in there, I can just tear the plastic. I'm proving myself wrong. No, I'm serious. I got it right here. Watch. Here it goes. Now it's coming now. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so.
Oh, buddy.
Oh my goodness. It's got a pattern inside. It's called Squared Up, and I love this. Oh my goodness. And all this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got a very blue rock candy, which I love that. We have a spool of Orfil thread, and the color is 2310. So I'm not sure what that is off the top of my head, but if you go look up 2310, that's it. It looks sort of like a sand color. And it looks like it'll go just perfectly with the fabric that's included. She sent us an Olfa blade. You got me with an Olfa blade every time. I'm not kidding. Okay, so here's the pattern. Cotton and Joy, beginner-friendly quilt, pre-cut friendly. It's called Squared Up, and let's see what her note is inside. Okay, welcome to the spring edition of my project box / bag. That's cute. Thank you for being patient and supportive through all the delays. Oh, you guys, the delays. If you were ordering the table topper kits from really anybody, but definitely from either me or Stephanie, we both apologize. They have, first May got delayed, and they told us that the May box was going to be in mid-June. Well, it's still not in. We got another email that said now the May box is now coming at the middle of July, and that the June box will be here end of July. And then I don't know when the July box is coming. I have no, I mean, and listen, I understand that it's not their fault, but we have to do something. Something needs to get us back on a track where, I don't know, like we're ordering something, and you know, if we used to say, well, that's like something that we're going to order 6 months out, then maybe we should have to order it like 9 months out. You know what I mean? Like, because it's very frustrating, and I know it's very frustrating for everyone. But it's just, I don't know. I just feel like we got to be able to do something. I don't know. Okay. I'm going to get off of that right now, and let's look at this lovely box, which is happiness, because even though it was late, it's still very exciting to get it. That's what I'm saying. Okay. As of writing this note, the actual boxes still have not arrived, so I improvised to get your package out. I hope this package puts a little smile on your face and is a wonderful start to your summer. Okay, I'm going to tell you what the contents are in a second, but I'm going to just kind of skip that and then just read the rest of her letter. This box contains everything you need to complete the top and binding of your project, and I can't wait to see how yours turns out. Tag me at Stephanie Stitches on Facebook or Instagram so I can see your completed project using hashtag Stephanie Stitches Project Box. I will be sewing this along with you, so check out my progress on my YouTube channel. Okay, and then it says, P.S. Due to fabric shipping delays with this go round and what was supposed to be the summer box, I've decided to skip the summer edition and go right into the autumn box, as that fabric is going to be here very soon. I don't blame her. Okay, so the things that are in the box, I'm gonna, as she lists them, I'm gonna hold them up and show them to you, and then we'll be able to get to that. Okay, so the first thing is Seashore Drive layer cake. And it's put in here like this. So it's going to be very difficult for me to like pull that out, but you can see what it is. And then perhaps what I'll do is I could put, I'll put like a picture up. I don't want to not have a back. Anyways, I'm sure you understand. This is just like opening a jelly roll at this point because it'll just be everywhere. So I'm going to put like a little picture at the end that will show you all the fabrics that are in here. That'll let you see them all, because Seashore Drive is gorgeous, like the whole thing. Okay, so we've got the layer cake, and then we have a 1/2 yard of Seashore Drive charcoal floral blender, and this is used for the binding. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. It's like this little tiny flower. And that's going to look so good on the binding. And I love it. That's so pretty. And then we also have 2 yards of Moda Bella Solid in porcelain. And this is for the background. It's like, it's basically sort of like a cream, but it's going to go really well with the layer cake. See, it's the one that goes really good with the background on there. So, perfect match, perfect match. The squared up pattern, there it is. Okay, so this is 2410, and she says it's called light beige. So there it is. And then the blades. And then she doesn't put this in there, but that's like a little bonus. So it's basically like stick of sugar is what she is put in there. And she's going to be posting updates of her putting hers together. So, you know, I mean, I would love to. I'm going to open up. Let's open up the pattern and see how, because it says it's beginner friendly. So let's look at this and see. It looks like it's super simple to put together. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This is going to be, if she gave us, she gave us 2 yards of background. So this must be, she gave us the fabric to do a throw. And then you'll have some, oh, okay, hold on. Okay, so here's what it says. Solids slash, let's say if you're doing the throw, which is 60 by 71, the solids slash prints. It looks like what you'd have to do is we're going to be breaking up the squares. So you'll need 30 10-inch squares, scrappy, of the solids and prints. Okay. Oh. Okay, hold on. If you want a scrappy quilt. Okay, so if you look on here, this one is a scrappy one, and this is an ombre one, right? All right, so there's stuff on the back that will tell you what you need if you're doing the modern ombre quilt and what you'll need if you're doing the scrappy quilt. So it looks like with us having the 10-inch squares, we're going to be doing the scrappy quilt. And so you'll need 30 of the 10-inch squares. You will need 2 yards of background, 4 yards of backing. So when you're done, you'll need 4 yards of backing and a half a yard of binding. Yes. Okay. So that's what she's giving us the fabric for. And let's see. Okay. Okay. So it looks like for each layer, for each 10-inch square that you're using, you're going to cut it into 5 pieces, and then you're going to sew them. It looks like you're going to be alternating, like you're going to alternate a piece of the layer cake and then the background, and then that same layer cake piece and then a background, about, you know, that kind of thing, and just make a certain size, and then you're going to sew them all together. So it looks like really cool. It looks really cool. And that it looks like it'll go together super quick. Yep, it tells you how many blocks you need, how you put it together, and literally the whole thing is like 2 pages. So I think you're good. I think we could probably get this done pretty quick. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. So leave like a message below if you have it. And I know that there are some people who got theirs like in the first round, because what she did was in order in which they were sold, that's how she sent them out. So you should be able to tell me if you've already started, because you might have already gotten yours and I hadn't gotten mine yet. So let me know, how's it coming together. And I am going to be opening some more stuff. I'm excited. I'm going to be having another video very, very soon where I open up a box that I got from Kim and Rhea. Rhea, from what I understand, has put this together for me, and so I'm going to film that and perhaps share it. The only way I wouldn't share it is if I open it up and I'm going, okay, yeah, I can't share this, and then I'll let you know later that I couldn't share it. But she's so cute. I love her so much, and she's adorable. And, you know, it's just like with any other kids, she's just growing up way too fast. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and give me all the deets down below about how Stephanie's quilt is going together for you. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.